Welcome to my Kinetic by Windstream Internet Provider Review, Usage Experience. Links to the provider are available in the description below. Kinetic by Windstream offers internet services across rural and suburban areas with a strong presence in over 18 states. Known for its diverse offerings, Kinetic caters to households, small businesses, and remote workers seeking fast, reliable, and affordable internet connections, especially in areas where fiber optic networks are limited. One of the standout features of Kinetic by Windstream is its availability of both fiber optic and DSL internet options, which makes it a versatile provider for users in different locations. For those fortunate enough to have access to Kinetic's fiber service, speeds can go up to 1 gigabit per second, providing an ultra-fast and reliable connection. For areas with only DSL service, speeds typically range from 25 to 100 megabits per second, which is still sufficient for regular browsing, streaming, and video conferencing. Kinetic's pricing structure is competitive, with transparent plans that have no data caps, allowing you to use the internet without worrying about overage fees. While the fiber service generally offers faster speeds and lower latency, even their DSL plans provide a solid experience for users who do not require the highest speeds. Additionally, Kinetic often provides bundle options, combining internet, home phone, and TV services for additional savings. Customer support is another strong point for Kinetic by Windstream, offering 24/7 assistance via phone, online chat, and email. Their website also includes helpful resources for troubleshooting and managing your account. In conclusion, Kinetic by Windstream is a solid choice for users in rural or underserved areas who need dependable internet at affordable prices. Whether you're on fiber or DSL, Kinetic offers a range of plans suitable for various needs. Check out the links in the description for more information or to sign up.